you're losing testosterone every single day. And the worst part, you don't even notice it. Studies show that testosterone levels decrease are 1.3 to 3% every single year. This single hormone shapes everything, like muscle size, bone growth, banana growth, even the energy that drives you. Without testosterone, you will look something like this. In this video, I will reveal the everyday habits that's silently killing your testosterone, and also tell you how to fix it. Let's start. 1. Sedentary lifestyle. Most men today spend hours lying in bed, scrolling on their phone or gaming. When you barely move, your body gets the signal that you don't need strength, muscle, or energy. Over time, less movement literally tells your body, why produce testosterone if you don't need it? In the past, men used to walk miles every day. Now, we've replaced walking with cars, bikes, and screens. 2. Overmasturbation and dopamine overload. Your brain runs on dopamine, the chemical of motivation and reward. But constant, instant gratification, from porn, endless scrolling, or overmasturbation, overloads your brain. It stops chasing real goals and instead looks for easy pleasure. This cycle tricks your body into thinking it doesn't need to produce high testosterone because survival looks too easy. Over time, you lose drive and energy. 3. Excess heat and high temperature. Your testosterone is made in your testes, and they need to stay slightly cooler than the rest of your body. But modern habits like keeping a laptop on your lap, sitting in hot tubs, or wearing tight clothes heat them up. That small increase in temperature is enough to reduce hormone production. So too much heat equals lower testosterone. 4. Plastics and BPA chemicals. Every time you drink from cheap plastic bottles or microwave food in plastic containers, you're exposing yourself to BPA and other chemicals. These chemicals act like fake estrogen inside your body, and the more estrogen-like signals your body gets, the less testosterone it produces. It's an invisible killer that most people don't even think about. 5. Junk food and processed sugar. Processed sugars and fast food are some of the worst testosterone killers. They spike your blood sugar, trigger fat storage, and cause insulin resistance. Belly fat itself converts testosterone into estrogen, which is why guys with poor diets often look and feel less masculine. The more junk food you eat, the faster your testosterone crashes. You have to eat a good diet that I'm going to explain you in next steps. Now comes the real part. How to boost testosterone. 1. Key nutrients: zinc, magnesium, vitamin D. Think of testosterone like a car engine. It won't run without the right fuel. Zinc, magnesium, and vitamin D are the essential building blocks. Zinc is found in foods like meat and nuts. Magnesium in leafy greens, and vitamin D comes mostly from sunlight. Without these, your testosterone production slows down dramatically. 2. Explosive workouts and sprinting. Not all exercise is equal. Long, slow cardio barely affects testosterone, but explosive workouts, like sprinting, push-ups, deadlifts, or squats, send a powerful signal to your body to make more testosterone. Training your big muscles tells your body, I need strength, I need power, and your hormones respond. 3. Drink clean, filtered mineral water. If you're still drinking water out of plastic bottles every day, you're holding yourself back. Clean, mineral-rich water from glass or stainless steel bottles keeps your body hydrated and free of hormone-disrupting chemicals. Staying hydrated also helps your body move nutrients that build testosterone. 4. Lower stress and cortisol. Stress is the silent killer of testosterone. Every time you stress out, your body pumps out cortisol, and cortisol directly lowers testosterone production. Taking time to breathe, meditate, or even just walk outside is more powerful than you think. A calmer mind equals stronger testosterone. 5. Live with purpose and clear goal. Your brain and hormones are wired for challenge. When you live without purpose, testosterone stays low. But when you set goals, chase them, and push through challenges, your body raises testosterone to match the drive. Living with purpose doesn't just give you motivation, it literally boosts your hormones. Testosterone is more than a hormone. It's your energy, your drive, and your strength. Cut out the habits that destroy it and build the ones that fuel it. The choice is in your hands.